Welcome to our YouTube channel, Pokhariya School Official.
भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई स्वागत छ। आज म क्लास 6 र 7 दुवै क्लासहरूको लागि हुने गरी म्याथमेटिक्सको युनिट सेट पढाउन गइरहेको छु। फर्स्ट अफ अल वी शुड नो द डेफिनेसन अफ सेट। द डेफिनेसन अफ सेट इज a set is a collection of well-defined object, or a collection of well-defined object is called a set. The members of set should be well-defined. For example, the set example we can say examples are number of student of class suppose 7, that is a set. Number of student of class 7, that is a set. And similarly we can say set of fruit. Set of fruit means suppose apple, banana, mango. This is the set of fruits. Similarly set of book, Nepali, English, math, science, etc. Set of another different things, suppose duster, marker, ball pen, pencil, etc. that are also example of set. We can give many more example of set. And definition of set is a collection of well-defined object is called set. That should be well-defined. An example you can give many more example. And set are different type. In our class they are given set are different type. Type of set are according to our syllabus: null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, according to our syllabus. And null set means if a set has no element. If a set has no element, and it is known as null set, or we can say empty set. It has no element, and that null set or empty set can be write like that, blank set or null set, or another symbol is phi. We can represent null set by empty set or phi. The definition is if a set has no element, or the set which contain no element is known as null set. Example are, for example, we can say whole number between 3 and 4. Whole number between 3 and 4, how many whole number are there? There are no whole number, so it is a null set. There is no any number between whole number between 3 and 4. Similarly, another example we can say female prime minister of Nepal. There is no female prime minister, so that is also a whole that is also a null set. Similarly, another set, singleton set. Singleton set means if a set contain only one element. Here no element, here only one element. Null set means that set containing no element. Singleton set means that set containing only one element. The set which contain only one element is known as singleton set. And the singleton set example, we can say example, for example, whole number between 1 and 3. How many whole number are there? Can you say? Yes, there is only one whole number between 1 and 3, that is a singleton set. It has only one element, that is 2. Whole number between 1 and 3, that is 2. If a set has only one element, and it is known as singleton set. We can say another name, another singleton set or unit set also. Similarly, finite set, if a set contain finite number of element. If a set contain finite number of element, जसको फाइनाइट नंबर छ, फिक्स नंबर छ, that is known as finite set. And the example of finite set are, suppose 1 2 3 4 5. One example of finite set, there are finite number, there are up to 5, there are 5 member in this set. Similarly, another example, 1 A B C D, that is another 1 2 3 up to 10, that is also known as finite set. It has fixed number, fixed member, here also up to 10 fixed member, so it is known as a finite set. That are the example of finite set. Similarly, infinite set, if a set contain infinite number of element, infinite number of elements are known as infinite set. यसको चाहिँ अनगिन्ती हुन्छ, हामीले फिक्स भन्नै सक्दैनौँ, त्यसैले यसलाई इन्फाइनाइट सेट भनिएको छ. फर इक्जाम्पल 1 2 3 4, that set is an example of infinite set because it has infinite number. Similarly, another example we can say sets of tall men, set of tall men, that is also infinite set because how many tall men are there we cannot say, that is also known as infinite set. Similarly, beautiful girls, that is also infinite set, how many number are there we cannot say, so these all are infinite set. In infinite set there should be infinite number or infinite member of that set. And there are, in our course there are given 4 type of set: null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set. It has no element, for example whole number between 1 and 2. Similarly, singleton set, it has only one element, for example a whole number between 1 and 3. Finite set, the set which containing finite number of element are known as finite set. For example, like that set are known as finite set because it has all has finite number of element. And similarly, infinite set, that set which have infinite number of element, infinite number of member, and they are known as infinite sets. For example 1 2 3, that is infinite set of tall men. Similarly, another example, animal of ocean, we can say this is also infinite set. And similarly, we can describe a set by 3 methods. We can describe a set by 3 methods. We can write set by 3 methods. They are description method, listing method, set builder method. For example, if a set is written in descriptive form, त्यसलाई डिस्क्राइब गरेर लेखिएको छ भने त्यसलाई डिस्क्रिप्सन मेथड भनिन्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल, डिस्क्रिप्सन मेथड इक्जाम्पल इज डेज अफ a week, that is a set, there are 7 days in a week, but if we write days of week, then that is description method. Similarly, if a set all days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, if we write all days name, and that is known as listing method. जब हामी डिस्क्राइब गरेर लेख्छौं, सेन्टेन्समा लेख्छौं भने त्यसलाई हामी डिस्क्रिप्सन मेथड भन्छौं र यसको लागि चाहिँ हामी डेज अफ अ वीक. Similarly, another example we can say vowel of English alphabet. Vowel of English alphabet, that is the description method, days of a week. And if we write all days name, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that is the listing method. Similarly, vowel of English alphabet A, E, I, O, U, if we write in bracket, that is listing method. And another set builder method. For example, we can say if we write X such that X represent days of a week. If we write X such that X belongs to days of a week, X represent days of week, then that is the another description method. Similarly, X such that another कुनै हामी example दिन सक्छौं. Suppose W, X such that X is whole number. X is whole number. That is another example of set builder form. We can say here set builder form rule method also. Set builder form. र भाइ बहिनीहरु आजको हाम्रो यो छलफलमा हामीले यहाँ definition of set र definition of set पछि हामीले different type of set यिनीहरुको पनि हरेकको definition हरुको बारेमा अध्ययन गर्यौं र अब null set को definition र example हरु हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. singleton set को definition र example हरु हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. finite set को infinite set को पनि हामीले definition र example हरु हामीले बुझ्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. त्यसैगरी यो set लाई कसरी हामी लेख्न सक्छौं भन्दाखेरि a set can be write by three ways, three method. Description method, that set represent by a sentence. Suppose days of a week, vowel of English alphabet, first 5 whole number, we can say another example, first 5 whole number, or first 5 English alphabet, another example we can say. That is the description method. If you give here first 5 whole number, then you can write number here, continue number by using comma. Similarly, set builder form, we can use X or Y, X such that X are days of week. यहाँ भनेको चाहिँ X नम्बरहरु छन् जो चाहिँ X ले चाहिँ के रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ भन्दा week को कतिवटा डेज छ त्यो सबैलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. अथवा X such that X is a whole number between, not X is the whole number. Whole number means that may be finite, that may be infinite. And at last I am going to give you some homework that belongs to definition, example, and another. Here are some question. Today's homework you can practice at home yourself. That define with example. Set definition we already learned, and you can give many more example of set. Null set, that is also already learned. Null set, or similarly another finite set, unit set, that all set. Unit set I earlier यहाँ singleton set भनेर पढेका छौं. कुरा उही हो. Unit set, singleton set, null set हामीले यही पढेका छौं. त्यसैगरी null set लाई empty set पनि भन्छ र यो तिमीहरुले सबैको डेफिनेसनहरु लेखेर एक्जाम्पलहरु पनि दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ. त्यसैगरी अर्को यहाँ represent the given set as stated in bracket. यहाँ ब्राकेटमा जे भनिएको छ यो सेटहरुलाई त्यो फर्ममा लानुपर्ने. A equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5, that is a set. You can write this set in set builder method. Set builder method you can write. Set builder method मा लेख्नु पर्ने. त्यसैगरी B days of a week. Days of week like that. Days of week, that is description form, and you can write that in listing form. Listing form means you can write like this, all days. Now these are homework. You can practice this all homework at home. Thank you.